This breathing technique is calming and relaxing. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a moment to arrive, to be here in your body. Bring awareness to your breath. Is it deep and slow, or is it fast and shallow? Just notice. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. Bring awareness to your body. Breathe in and out through your nose. Inhale, scan your body from toe to head. Exhale, scan your body from head to toe. Bring awareness to the base of your spine and to your lower belly. Imagine a soft ball of light glowing there. Take a deep inhale. Direct your breath to your lower belly. Visualize the ball of light expanding as your belly expands. Exhale slowly. Expel all the air from your belly. Inhale. Let the air fill your belly. Then continue inhaling and let the air go into your rib cage. Visualize the light glowing around your belly and rib cage. Exhale slowly. Expel all the air from your rib cage and then from your belly. Inhale. Fill your belly, then your rib cage, and take in some more air and direct it to your upper chest. Visualize the light glowing around your belly, rib cage, and upper chest. Feel the space around your heart expanding. Exhale. First, let the air out from your upper chest, then from your rib cage, and finally from your belly. Inhale. Belly, rib cage, upper chest. Exhale. Upper chest, rib cage, belly. With each inhale, imagine the ball of light glowing brighter. As you exhale, imagine all tension leaving your body. Inhale, belly, rib cage, upper chest. Exhale, upper chest, rib cage, belly. Inhale, belly, rib cage, upper chest. Exhale, upper chest, rib cage, belly. Continue breathing with this pattern on your own rhythm. Release the three-part breathing. Go back to your natural breath. Scan your body from head to toe and notice how relaxed you are. Come back to this session whenever you need a moment of calm.